Hey guys, Ronald here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a busted light of this ceiling dome light. First, let's remove the screws. This one has 3 screws. I'm gonna remove this first one, and then the second one. Don't worry about that, it fell on our bed, so it's okay, it did not break. Let's remove this remaining screw. As you can see, this second bulb socket is already busted, so I'm not going to bother to replace that anymore, because I'll be installing only a single bulb for this one. I don't intend to put another light on this one because this is already busted. So I'll just see if I can still put the cover without the need to buy another light just to fit one, so that it would fit in. I will try first. Okay, let's try it if it's going to fit in. Okay, it fits just right, so we're going to screw it in. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, it's already bright with just one bulb, because that's in an 18-watt bulb. Let's turn it off. Okay, so I hope you like the idea, and looking forward to seeing you again on our next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.